Hello, and welcome to the Windows 2000 Selling Scenario, brought to you by Microsoft. I'm Todd Licea. The release of Microsoft's Windows 2000 is the most significant product release in the history of our company. It is also an industry-wide event with more than 500 IHVs, ISVs, OEMs, system builders, and customers involved in the development of this product from the very beginning. Windows 2000 is really a family of products. We have Windows 2000 Professional for client desktop, Windows 2000 Server, Windows 2000 Advanced Server, and Windows 2000 Data Center Server for all server operating system needs. For the purposes of this sales training, we will focus only on selling Windows 2000 Professional on new business PCs. Windows 2000 Professional is the business desktop operating system that enables the next generation of PC computing. PC computing as we know it is changing. The way we work is changing. Customers just want their computers to work, and they want easy access to their information. With Windows 2000 Professional, we are differentiating our offering of operating systems. Windows 2000 is the next version of release of Windows NT 4.0 and is designed for businesses of all sizes. Windows 98 Second Edition is really for the home user. We learned that our customers use PCs for different purposes and require operating systems that are optimized to do different things. For example, we surveyed many small businesses, IT professionals, and key business decision makers worldwide, and reliability consistently came up as the most important consideration when purchasing a new operating system. It then became our #1 priority as Microsoft designed and developed Windows 2000 Professional. An unprecedented level of testing during development ensures its reliability and stability even during its initial release. In fact, the May 1999 issue of PC Magazine wrote that the Beta 3 looked more like a shipping product than like code still in development. And let's face it, many support calls you receive from customers are due to user error, someone messing around where they shouldn't be, and deleting essential files, and then the system goes down. With Windows 2000, System File Protection checks to make sure the system files are in place. If it detects any damage, it automatically repairs the files before it launches. Windows 2000 also actively protects itself from crashes. If one application crashes, the rest of the system can continue to run normally. In addition, Windows 2000 Professional requires fewer system restarts. There's no need to reboot while adding protocol or a new device driver. All this makes Windows 2000 more reliable than Windows 98. It has less downtime and reduces unnecessary support calls. Another top consideration for Windows 2000 Professional was to make it easier to use and manage. Although you will find it similar to the familiar Windows interface, Windows 2000 user interface is even simpler and more intelligent. We've streamlined the familiar Windows interface by reducing desktop clutter and simplifying the start menu. Internet browsing technology and new IntelliSense technology also makes it easier and faster to complete frequently performed tasks and to find the information you need, whether it's on your personal system, your company's network, or the Internet. Today, there are over 230 million business PCs worldwide built on the x86 platform. Small businesses make up the largest portion of this installed base, and the good news is that they're starting to replace those PCs at a faster rate because of their desire to be better connected to their customers, to their data, and to the Internet. And this is a great opportunity for you to replace the older systems with new business PCs with Windows 2000 Professional pre-installed. Microsoft will be basing all future operating systems on the Windows 2000 product. In the following 2 segments, we'll take a look at typical sales scenarios you've told us you face and the likely objections that usually come up when you recommend Windows NT Workstation and soon Windows 2000 Professional. Let's take a look at our first scenario where you'll see how to recognize opportunities to lead with Windows 2000 Professional and how to make it the default operating system for all your business PCs.
Hi, I'm looking to buy some new PCs for my business. What would you recommend?
Great. Why don't you start by telling me something about your business and what you're using now?
I'm actually in the sports merchandising business, and we're currently using Microsoft Office, their email program, and we're using Word and Excel quite a bit too.
Okay, what operating system are you using?
We're currently using Windows 98, and actually I just bought a couple PCs not too long ago, and now I'm in the midst of hiring 3 new people, and I need to get them outfitted with PCs.
Well, I'm actually surprised to hear that you're using Windows 98 for your business. Windows 98 is typically much more oriented for use in the home. It's optimized for game playing and multimedia use. Have you heard about Windows 2000?
No, is that the next version of Windows 98?
No, Windows 2000 Professional is the next generation of the Windows NT family, and it's really the best operating system for businesses of all sizes.
So what makes it the best?
Well, let me give you a few examples. First, it's much more reliable. Your PCs are tools that you use to run your business, and when they're not working, you're not working. Windows 2000 Professional is more reliable than Windows 98. Second, security. You probably have data in your company that's important to you, things like personnel records and payroll data. Windows 2000 has a feature which enables you to set up multiple user profiles on the same PC. So you could log into my PC and still not be able to access the sensitive information that I've protected, and it's much more manageable. There's this new feature that prevents users from permanently or accidentally deleting the most important system files, like your DLLs, which could really hurt your PC.
Well, that sounds really good, but it sure sounds a lot different than Windows 98. Will I have to retrain my employees and myself?
Absolutely not. It's the same Windows you already know. It looks just like Windows 98, and if anything, it's even easier to use. They've included many of the features you're probably already familiar with from using the web, like searching, favorites folder, and autocomplete.
What about my existing Windows 98 machines? Will they all work together?
Absolutely no issues there. They'll both work together fine.
Okay, so how much more is this going to cost me?
With everything equal between a Windows 98 PC and a Windows 2000 PC, the incremental cost is going to be negligible, especially when you take into account the increases you're going to get from the reliability, the security, and the manageability. The bottom line is, it's going to be a great investment for your company to order Windows 2000 on those new PCs. It's going to save you both time and money.
Well, I'm always in favor of saving time and money.
Terrific. Let's go ahead and write up that quote for those new PCs with Windows 2000 on them.
Great, let's do it.
Now, we know it isn't always this easy. Small businesses are usually on tight budgets, and convincing them to spend more money may seem difficult. But by investing in the right solution up front, they can be assured of lower total cost of ownership in the long run. Pre-installation of the operating system done by you ensures your customers that you have tested the system beforehand and know that it works. Another consideration small businesses make when purchasing new operating systems is how well does it work with their existing computer environment. Windows 2000 Professional has been tested with hundreds of the most frequently used business software applications available today. The directory of Windows 2000 applications is published at www.microsoft.com/Windows. And we encourage you to check the list frequently on behalf of your customers. Existing computer environments also mean printers, scanners, and laptops. Windows 2000 Professional has a variety of technologies to support the mobile user, whether your customers use their notebook connected to a network or at their home office. Windows 2000 Professional supports Advanced Configuration and Power Interface, also known as ACPI, which enhances a PC's power management capabilities. For example, you can set your PC to hibernate or stand by where you're not using it to conserve power. And if you're using a notebook remotely, get more work from a single battery. ACPI is a different, more advanced technology than the older Advanced Power Management, also known as APM system, that many notebook users are familiar with. APM is a BIOS-based technology, and ACPI uses the operating system to control power management. Offline files in combination with the Synchronization Manager make sure you have the files you need when and where you need them. If you disconnect from the network, you can view or work with network resources as if you were still connected to the network. even though you're offline. With these features, you can access data when you're not connected to your network and synchronize your files when you reconnect. Next, we'll take you through a situation where a small business owner has already made up her mind about her PC purchase with Windows 98 Second Edition. While it's tempting to accept the easy sell, are you really servicing your customers if you don't tell them about Windows 2000 Professional? As a PC specialist, your customers will look to you to offer advice and guidance when making significant PC purchases for their businesses. Be sure you are recommending Windows 2000 Professional as the default operating system for every business PC you sell. Let's take a look.
Okay, well, what about an operating system?
We're using Windows 98, and just recently I purchased 2 new PCs, and now I'm about to hire 3 new people, and I'm looking for some PCs for them.
Well, I'm surprised to hear that you're using Windows 98 on your business PCs. It's typically oriented much more towards the home user. It's optimized for things such as multimedia and playing games. What have you heard about Windows 2000?
Yeah, I've heard about Windows 2000, but I don't like to take any risks with my business, and everybody knows that the first version of a piece of software is not very stable. So I prefer to stay with something that's proven. So I'd like to stay with Windows 98, something I know and understand.
You know, I've been using Windows 2000 since Beta 3. I've noticed a real improvement in both performance and reliability. It just stays up and runs. Microsoft's done an unprecedented amount of testing on this product, and it's the most reliable Windows operating system ever. I know that you are making a big investment in your new PCs, and I just want to make sure that this is the best long-term solution for your business. And Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional, it's optimized for business.
Optimized for business? What do you mean?
Well, first of all, it's much more reliable. Security, manageability, these are all key benefits of Windows 2000 Professional, and they're important when running a business. Windows 98 Second Edition, it's really focused at home users who want features such as DVD, multimedia, and gaming. And you should know that Microsoft is basing all future business operating systems on Windows 2000. So really, it's the best investment for your business.
Well, I really don't want to introduce anything new since everything works great with Windows 98. Besides, what about my current software? Wouldn't I have to buy all new upgrades again?
Windows 2000 is not a first version release. It's the 5th version release of the Windows NT product. And chances are the software you're using has been successfully tested and is compatible. But to be sure, I can check for you.
Okay, but I use a laptop a lot for customer calls and to take work home. How does Windows 2000 work on a laptop?
I use a laptop myself, and I'm using Windows 2000 on it, and I've really noticed improvement in the reliability of the system, and I've noticed a much faster response time and great battery life. I recommend Windows 2000 to all of my business customers. Would you like to see a demo?
That'd be great.
The decision maker in most cases is the business owner with differing levels of technical knowledge, and they get their information about technology from a wide range of sources. Here's your opportunity to show leadership, to be their technical consultant. As you can see, you may have to do some convincing when recommending the right solution for your small business customer. Remember, when selling new PCs to small businesses, it's important to emphasize the long-term investment that they are making. Small businesses purchase new PCs, there will be a slight disruption to their environment. Why not take advantage at the same time to update their operating system? Windows 2000 is a significant release. It's designed to be more reliable, more manageable, and good for mobile computing, all important to small businesses when they make new PC purchases. The best way to sell Windows 2000 Professional is to use it yourself. Are you using Windows 2000 Professional? And would you go back to what you were using before? Most of the time, all it takes to convince a customer is to show the product and have the product sell itself. We hope that we've been able to show you in this program how easy it is to sell Windows 2000 once you know the key product features and benefits, and that you have a real opportunity with Windows 2000 to establish yourself for repeat business with the right long-term solution for your business customers. Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional is available from our authorized distributors. For a complete list of authorized distributors, visit us on the web at www.microsoft.com/OEM. While you're there, let us know how you're doing and win more business. We'd like to hear from you. Thank you.